Hi, my name is Gator Hillard, and I'm here on behalf of Expert Village to talk today about making bread pudding with a bourbon sauce. All right, this is basically the last step before you cover it up. What I like to do back home, and this is the only way I've ever learned how to do it, was just to add like more flavor to it. Is take like what you want is like just butter chips, basically that you're making, and you want to cover up the top of it. You know. Just think about like, I don't know, it's like a visual thing. But you want to make sure that it's going to spread out when it melts, you know? It's good stuff. And once you got the butter laid on there, that's really all you have to do. That's the way it's going to look. You make sure your bread is submerged down, everything's wet, you got your butter on there. And basically the next step is just cover it up with aluminum foil. Pop it in the oven. We'll do that next.